Fire is a deadly destructive force. Over 15,000 people die each year and over 25,000 people are injured each year from fire. Fire-related property loss is estimated at $11 billion or over 77,000 crores each year. The best way for the average common person to be safe from fire is to prevent it from happening in the first place. However, in certain situations, a fire safety kit can help you limit the damage by putting the fire out before it goes out of control. With fire incidents on the rise, the eco-friendly revolution in the interest of public safety and to make this world a safer and better place is introducing Lifeguard 4-in-1 Fire Safety Kit. Designed by environment, health and safety expert Rajan Fonseca, the eco-friendly revolution is continuously taking initiatives in spreading awareness through trainings, demonstrations, rallies, cross-country expeditions, and collaborating with like-minded individuals and organizations to come together to help heal the world.
Every home, every office, every building needs a lifeguard. Hello everybody, this is Rajan. Welcome to the Eco-Friendly News. If things start to get hot around you, you will need the Lifeguard 4-in-1 Fire Safety Kit, complete with a safety mask, a fire blanket, a fire extinguisher and a first aid kit. This Lifeguard will be your first line of defense against any fire. Let's not be a victim. Think safety, be safe. What is this 4-in-1 Fire Safety Kit? Why the safety mask? Why the fire blanket? Why the fire extinguisher? And why the first aid kit? Let's have a look. 90% of the casualties take place due to suffocation and inhalation of toxic smoke. The safety mask will protect you from deadly smoke and is also good against solid dust particles and water-based aerosols. The ISI marked V44 grade mask is skin friendly and can withstand high temperatures. But remember to help yourself first before assisting others. Once the safety mask is placed on your nose and your mouth, use the fiberglass fireproof blanket to smother small fires before they get out of control. The fireproof blanket comes in a standard size of 1 square meter. It is 420 GSM in thickness and can withstand high temperatures up to 550 degrees Celsius or 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. The fire blanket can be used on any fire. If the fire is out of control and you need to pass through the flames, simply cover yourself with a blanket and walk out to safety. The fiberglass material of the blanket can be itchy on contact with skin. The blanket has handles on all corners, which is why it can be used as a cloth stretcher if needed. If the fire is spread in a bigger area or in a place where the fire blanket cannot be used, put the fire extinguisher to work. The foam-based fire extinguisher is non-toxic, non-carcinogenic and non-corrosive. The one-time use container has 500 ml of thick foam which will remove the heat and cut off oxygen supply of the fire by covering the burning materials. The fire extinguisher can be used on any fire, but remember to cut off electric supply before fighting electrical fires. The fourth important content of the fire safety kit is the Lifeguard First Aid Kit, complete with oral rehydration salts, antiseptic liquid, antiseptic cream, sterile bandage, cotton, crib band, band-aids, adhesive tape and a pair of scissors. This kit will prove vital to attend to casualties if needed. For a fire to reach an uncontrollable stage, it can take less than 30 seconds in favorable conditions, so act quickly. Hopefully by now, after using the Lifeguard Fire Safety Kit, the fire is put out. But for any reason, if the fire gets out of control, stay calm. Shout fire, fire. Evacuate people and pets. Do not use lift or elevator. And try to find the nearest fire exit or stairs to leave the building. It also comes in an easy to hang and store packaging. It can be used in kitchens, restaurants, vehicles, offices and wherever there is a possibility of a fire danger. Now that you know what is the Lifeguard 4-in-1 Fire Safety Kit, let me ask you a question. Are you ready for a possible fire emergency to save yourself and your loved ones? Maybe, maybe not. Remember, an emergency can hit you anytime, so it's only logical, smart and wise to think safety and be safe. Get your very own Lifeguard 4-in-1 Fire Safety Kit today. To order, contact the link below. More videos on environment, health and safety coming up soon. So stay tuned to join the eco-friendly revolution. Remember, every little step will result in a big change. So continue to do whatever little you're doing to help heal the world. I'm sure you like our initiative. So like, subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon. If you have any comments, please speak up. Share the good news with family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring. Have a good life.